Faith and Friends has contracted Southeast Design to construct a pavilion in Luttrell, Tennessee. The site and civil services included a grading plan and site utilities.
The construction services provided for our project include a site logistics plan, project schedule, and overall cost. Through our CE400 experience, myself and my teammates learned valuable processes that we'll be able to use in our future careers.
Structural engineering services included calculating the loading requirements, designing the structural steel members, and the bolted connections. The pavilion was designed to be 80 feet wide by 125 feet long open span structure with a pitched roof high enough to provide enough clearance for the horse riders to utilize the facility.
The logistics services provided were the erosion control plan, the equipment selection, and one of the challenges that we had to overcome was creating the transportation and disassembly plan.
Hydrological analysis was performed to determine the impacts of various flood events on the site area. The site area was built up 4 feet and a retaining wall was designed in order to bypass the effects of flooding. One major positive impact of this service is that the client may now host events year-round regardless of weather.
The geotechnical services provided were the design of a spread footing, the characterization of soils, and the analysis of soil properties. The personal positive outcome that I received was going through the process of designing the shallow foundation and using knowledge from my previous geotechnical classes and being able to apply to the project.